Hi everybody, this is Dr. Shreya Agrawal. I am from Surat, Gujarat. This course is hybrid course comprising of offline and online courses. So if we are enrolled somewhere, if we are doing job elsewhere, we can continue that. And online classes, I took almost all the modules I have finished. They started from basics till the advanced, brushed up our basics. We revised everything which we used to study, comprised of embryology, anatomy, physiology, IUIs, andrology and everything. Very patiently, every topics are covered, all the doubts are solved, and there are various assignment and MCQ models which we have to finish it up. And now I have completed my simulation training. We are given hands-on for IUIs, embryo transfer, hysteroscopy and oocyte retrieval. Oocyte retrieval had various models comprising of various follicles, small, large, and everything was taught very patiently. They hold our hands and teach us everything. All our doubts have been cleared. So simulation training has been great and is not a part of many FRM courses which are conducted elsewhere. So I thoroughly enjoyed it. Theoretical things have been cleared a lot. Smaller things also, the microscopic examination of the embryos and everything were taught very well. The stimulation protocols which are blindly used elsewhere have been taught very thoroughly, that the stimulation program belongs to this group of patients. So when to use which stimulation program was discussed very well. Many small loopholes which are not cleared in our PG days have been discussed really well. So the concepts have been made very clear. Shantala ma'am has discussed everything very nicely. She discusses every little thing and it is a very one-to-one class kind of a thing. It is not like we have to ask the doubt of that particular topic only. She clears all our doubts of any patient or anything which we have. The doubt solving and also the lectures were very great. Dr. Kamini Rao ma'am has taken our lectures like ART, laws, ethics and counseling. By giving examples and everything, the topics are discussed and cleared very well. I would like to thank Dr. Kamini Rao ma'am, all the engaging faculties who have been teaching us, Medline Academics, and all the management team as well, who have plan has been created very well. Thank you.